Guys, come here. I need to show you something real quick. Guys, do you see this water when it rained in Texas? If I jump, makes satisfying sound. And guys, do you want to go in it? I'm gonna put my waterproof phone case on it, and then you guys can go in it. Okay, guys, look, go in the water and look at me. Oh my gosh, Tom. That is so crazy that I can do that.